Hi, this is my review on Playing with Holy Fire by Michael Brown, Dr. Michael Brown. Really enjoyed this book myself. I like it because he's very honest, he's very transparent, which I wish more Christian authors would be about the charismatic church. And myself being Pentecostal-Charismatic, it was nice to see someone really talk about some things that need to be fixed in the charismatic Pentecostal church. Just like he says at the top, it's time to clean house. So it's definitely something that he doesn't hold back in. He goes over topics like prophets lying about prophecies or deceiving people or taking money. But he doesn't just bash it. He gives ways that us as Christians, as believers, we can clean it up and stop doing this or stop doing that, or call out practices instead of just staying quiet and don't say anything. You know, he does explain like how to confront people that are doing those type of things, or, you know, if you're a pastor or you're in leadership, how you can fix those things or correct yourself, even if you don't notice yourself doing it. So it's not really a long, looks like a pretty long book, but the text is not super huge. Super small. I'm sorry. And what I really like about it is it's a fun read because it's not just it's theological. You know, it's not like a theologically heavy book. It's what I'm trying to say. So he gets into stories and personal examples that happen in his life and how he dealt with things, and he uses scripture, of course, to explain certain details. He gives in the back. He gives notes on every chapter. So it's really good. Let me read to you some of the contents. He has this, these are just some, right? Mercenary prophets, superstar leaders, abusive leadership, sexual immorality, the pep talk, prosperity gospel, celebrating doctrinal deviance, to the third heaven and back in a flash, wanting to be wise like the world. So it's really good. He confronts a lot of things that I was just in shock that even people did those things. I'm like, wow, like people have the audacity to do certain things that he covers in this book. But it's really good. Highly recommend it. If you're a Pentecostal charismatic believer, check this one out. And yeah, it'll really help you to process certain things that maybe you've seen or the church hurt, or things that you've gone through in life in the Pentecostal charismatic tradition. It covers it all. So yeah, definitely a good read.